Today we are going to learn an easy way to understand number stories. Don't worry, we can do it. The first step is pretty obvious. You need to read the number story. So Mrs. Mandrell was traveling for a friend's wedding. She had a total of 763 miles to travel. She made this video when she had already gone 459 miles. How many more miles does she have to go until she gets to the wedding? Now that I have read the number story, I should highlight the important information. First off, I see some numbers here. She traveled a total of 763 miles. And I see she had already gone 459 miles. And then I see the words here in the actual question. How many more does she have to go until she gets to the wedding? To help me understand a number story, think of the word tips. The T stands for thought. What type of math operation am I going to use? Is this an addition number story, subtraction number story, multiplication, or division? In this case, I see the words how many more. That to me says subtraction. The I stands for information. What information or numbers do I need to know to help me complete the problem? I see that I know that she has to travel 763 miles and has already gone 459 miles. Those are the two numbers that I need to focus on. 763 and 459. The next step is the plan. I have to plan for my information. So my thought was it was subtraction. And my information, I have my two numbers. And I know with a subtraction problem, I need to have the larger number goes first. So 763 minus 459 equals something. The last part of the tips is the S, or the solution, which is simply a fancy word for the answer. I can actually solve what I was trying to figure out. So over here to the side, I'll write the problem vertically. 763 minus 459. Going to start in the ones place. 3 minus 9 I cannot do, so I have to trade from the tens place, leaving only 5. And that would make 13 in my ones place. 13 minus 9 I can do, which is 4. 5 minus 5 in the tens place is 0. And 7 minus 4 is 3. Therefore, my solution is 304. And going back to my question, how many more miles does she have to go until she gets to the wedding? So miles is my unit. And there's my final answer, 304 miles. So when you have a number story, first read the story, then highlight the important information. And you can use tips to guide you to the right answer. And remember, tips stands for the thought. Is it an addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division number story? The information is what numbers do I need to solve the problem. The plan is the actual number sentence. And the solution is simply, what is the answer, including units.